Diary of Two Sisters. Today I am going to be telling you what my Halloween costume is going to be. I really like Halloween. It is one of my favorite holidays because you get so much candy and I love candy. But I still don't know what I'm going to be. Oh, I know, and I'll tell you in 3, 2, 1. Did you guess what I am? If you guessed unicorn, you are right. And if you guessed right, give yourself a huge pat on the back. So, this is my costume. I've got the horn right here and I've got the ears, and I've got like this on my shirt, and I've got this bracelet. So this is not my whole Halloween costume. Now I'm going to have my mom help me do my makeup for a unicorn to look like a unicorn. So first, we're going to start out with this glitter eyeshadow palette. My mom is going to be putting this pink, purple, blue, and like this, it's kind of like a whitish color, but it's like maybe a bit like darker. So she's going to be putting those ones on me. Okay. So first she's going to be putting the purple.
Close your
Okay. Okay, you can kind of like see that on like the top. Like pink is coming out in the light. So I can like mostly see the pink going on, but like I see on the bottom a bit of white, some green. Ooh, she put some green. Looks really good. Okay. So now he's gonna be doing like some light pink. Okay, now we have finished the eyeshadow. I think it looks really nice. Like there's some pink and in the corners there's some green I can see, and on the bottom there's some light pink. So I really like this. Now my mom is going to be putting some blush on. We're going to be putting like this kind of like a golden color on my cheeks. It's like, here it is. I'm not sure if you can see it that well, but there it is. So let's get started putting this on. Okay, so here is the blush. It's like kind of a light color. It doesn't show that much, but I still like it. It's like light, so that's the blush. So now my mom is going to be putting like some designs on my forehead to look more like a unicorn. I don't know what design she's doing, but it looks like nice. Like kind of like different colors on my forehead. Pink in the middle and like blue on the sides. Ooh, dark blue. That's green. You can put like light colors here too, so like it looks like it's like all around in like kind of like a circle. It's like, well, not a circle, but like up here. It's going all around the base. Okay, now this is like what she did. The designs like kind of like lines, and then she did it like all around here. So now my mom's going to be putting some like lipstick. It's like a purplish pinkish color, so I think it's gonna be look like really nice because it's like a purplish pinkish color. And here it is. Okay, that looks like super, like, it kind of looks like more like a pinkish color. So now she's going to put that on my lips. Some of the eyeshadow because, like, you can put, like, some of it on lips. Looks like sparkly. Sparkly lips. Now she's going to be putting this golden glitter on my face. So like it will be like glittery. Okay, so now here is the final reveal of my makeup. So here is my final reveal of my makeup and the hoodie and the costume. So this is what I'm going to be putting on for Halloween. Okay, so I am excited to see what my sister Deena, what she's gonna do. So you're gonna find out and see what she is.
Hi everyone, it's me Deena, and today I'm going to be showing you my Halloween costume for this year. Last year I was a scientist, and when I grow up I want to be a lawyer. So this year I'm going to be a lawyer. Here's my costume. Ta-da! Here's my costume. I'm a lawyer. If you need a lawyer, call Deena today. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!